everybody. Thank you for joining and enjoying the Light and Fluffy YouTube channel. I hope that you've enjoyed the content so far. Some songs, karaoke, some inspirational messages and prayers, and there's some new content coming down the pipeline. Ladies, you can DIY too. So, a topic that typically, or maybe stereotypically, has been attributed to men doing. So, automotive repair, care, and maintenance. Also, maybe some household repairs and maintenance things that we normally just think that men do. We can do it too. So, keep your eyes peeled, subscribe so that when we have new content uploaded, you will be notified. Click that notification bell and you will get the new content. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great day.